sorting it. It is a knockoff phone, man.
Yeah. From China, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just got to copy everything.
Yeah, of course they have to. Proper's a little sound system.
Got speakers, is it?
Right there.
Oh, camping light over there.
I reckon someone used to sleep in there.
Oh, I was thinking
There's all the crap in there.
a bit more roof and issue.
Yeah.
Give it a bit of a spin. Got sizable speakers.
That's what I mean, like a proper music setup. There's even lights there.
They could have disco, didn't they?
They could have.
They had a step on all power tool.
That looks still brand new in its box.
Probably is brand new. Some more like. See the head
Is that a TV?
TV. Yeah, that's a TV. Just like that's how they watch all their videos on. You know, like
Yeah.
HD, Morse code and all that.
Yes.
That's how Kimble please. So we have another toilet here. Sinks off this one. Nice, it's okay though. Alright, spin around again.
It says zombie infection area.
Makes sense for this down.
Yeah. This looks like the garage now.
Zombies. Oh yeah, there's a lot of crap down there to watch your feet.
That looks like an old gas burner.
Yeah man, that's a little cooker.
What were they cooking for the residents in it? Oh, the old pedals are in it.
No, the scouts man, they go camping all the time, don't they?
Well, not any fucking more, not out there.
Yeah, obviously not anymore since it's abandoned.
Look how old they look.
They're quite nice little gas burners, they're usable probably. Do like the yours.
This, I think, was their food store.
More roofing damage.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, we see. Oh, we've got a shit load of water still in here.
Yeah, that's what I mean then. I do need to upgrade this goddamn phone.
Oh, one thing is to get briefly touched.
All that.
I'm sure most of that is.
The metal tins up there for cooking.
It's got miscellaneous stuff.
Like the little steps they got to go up it. Right, shine it round it.
Quite a lot of gas. Oh, you never cut it.
Yeah. And a load of rope.
Oh. Tables.
And a really old climber wall.
It doesn't look like it's got more, doesn't it?
It probably actually is, to be fair.
It's got the top of a winch up, but they do look like hand hops.
Yeah.
Could be right. It's all random hole.
It says that don't show that yellow box.
It's got asbestos.
Don't show this.
Yeah, stay away from that old tube. It's got
Asbestos.
asbestos sheeting.
Yeah. I'll let you go first
When
because you still got
come
touch.
across that stuff and you explore and stay away from it.
Yeah, I do.
Break
Ain't
that.
that silly?
You need a mask. Right, yeah, there's no trick up for that.
Little room really quick.
It's a kitchen. The reason we left that to the last is because they've got a really bright torch.
Look at the floor we've got.
That window.
It's got a really nice tile.
Oh yeah, it was once nice. Right, I'll give you a quick spin in here. Just so that you can see my windows are boarded and we're in a quick
Right, let me borrow your torch for that room.
pop a little area. All this stuff in the cupboard like they just opened now.
Got on cold drinks.
Oh, luckily that wasn't a mini fridge.
No. There's even plates still on that cupboard. And an Amazon box.
Gas.
Do you want some tea? How the fuck was they cooking in it? Just off raw gas or some shit?
Gas and electric, that's an electric cooker.
Yeah. This is still a nice find. I need to redo this when I get a torch. Oh, Cornish. You want Grim?
Don't open a mini box.
Look at it.
It's mouldy, isn't it?
Hey, look, you wanted a fucking tray for Christmas? My gimbal's now dying.
Yeah, no worries.
So, I'm calling this one this.
Yeah, no worries.
I can subscribe for more and we'll go check them out.
Quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's fine, that's perfect. Let's go see what's in these cupboards. That's actual photos of army cadets.
That's scout, man.
Oh, was it? So it is a scout hall,
On
though.
the floor. All little cupboards with quite a lot of stuff there, isn't it? Okay. Let's leave. Take a week.
That's probably their art supplies. It's a hard hat there, though.
Yeah.
Right, let's go through these rooms.
Table tennis. I'll take you for a look around the place. Alright, it's too dark in here. I will try not to help you guys. Right. Look around there, over there. Here's the stuff to do.
Do you want to go first? As you have torch.
Mind your feet.
Yeah.
There's the old main entrance. Chairs and everything in the way.
That's probably vandals in there, though.
Possibly. Close down there. Let's go in there last. Got quite a exposed window. And just talk to the bit of hello.
That's hence why we're both using it.
Quite a lot of stuff in there, gas canisters. Got a printer, another little cooker. Right. So here we have Kindle's having issues.
Yeah, same here.
We'll do it.